Our boys team and girls team here for the upcoming West Zone Championship, that is junior men and women, and then followed by the youth men and women championship that will be held at Uttarakhand. So we are preparing our team and they are doing really a great job. They are doing very great. So let's see how many medals we can get.
Ashriya Naik of Goa are going to the National Boxing Academy, and they hopefully will be selected into the Indian team for the Asian Junior Championship. We wish them both best of luck.
आम्ही प्लॅन करता फक्त नॅशनल गेम्साचे फक्त आमचो लॉंग प्लॅन आसा, पण आतां सध्या आमी एज अ बॉक्सर एक्सपोजर म्हणून इंडिया टिमीक आमी गोंयान आपोवन फायट नायट करतले आनी बरेतले बॉक्सराचे आमचे परफॉर्मन्स कळटले कशें आहा आनी आमकां कितें इम्प्रुवमेंट जाय हे आमी तयार करता. हे आमचे प्लॅनिंग भरपूर तरेन प्लॅनिंग केलें. सेकंड थिंग म्हणल्यार आमचे थोडे युथी बॉक्सर आहा ते यूथ नॅशनल इन जून आहा तेज्या खातीर तयारी चालू आहा आनी आमी बऱ्यांतलो बरो परफॉर्मन्स करतले आनी नॅशनल गेम्साक बऱ्यांतली बरी मेडलां खूब मेडलां दितले.
Good, we are trying our best for the national medals and we are hoping for national medals and international medals also.